So as a business owner, do you want to promote your business on WhatsApp by sending bulk promotional WhatsApp messages? So in next 2 minutes, I will share you the setup that will do this work for you automatically without getting your account banned. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Let's stay tuned till the end of this video and learn about this setup. Now in my business, I manage all the WhatsApp conversations using Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to do so, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow. On the landing page, sign up for free if you don't have an account. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, test out this amazing bulk WhatsApp messages sending feature. Okay, now I am already a user. I have logged in. If you want to purchase Pabbly Chatflow's yearly or one-time plans to automate your WhatsApp conversations of your business as well, use my code on the left side of the screen to get amazing discounts. Now you have to follow some steps in order to send an amazing message just like this on WhatsApp. Some steps has to be followed to do that. But before I'm going to tell you that step, if you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, how you can set up your own account of Pabbly Chatflow, check out all the video links added in the description section. Go ahead, create your setup and then come back to this video. Now, to send the messages to thousands of customers on WhatsApp in bulk, first of all, I will recommend to you that you create a template of your message that you want to send. Now, if you want to learn how you can create the perfect template for your video, for your business promotion or anything, you can go ahead, check out this video on the eye icon that will allow you to create the most amazing promotional templates for your business. I have created a template over here in the name of skincare message. I have a skincare business. So I've created this template right here. It's a promotional template. If you want to learn how to create a template, check out the video on the eye icon. Okay. Now, I have created this template. I am going to use this template to send the messages to all my customers as a promotion message. You can see it says Natural Glow Skincare exclusive offers. I am promoting the flat 50% off deal over here. These are the benefits of my business. So I've created this amazing, very attractive message template. Now, this template you can see right over here, it says approved. This approved Chatflow site, it's going to create inside Pabbly Chatflow is going to be approved from the Meta's end. So after approving only, you can create the broadcast that will allow you to send bulk messages on WhatsApp. Okay. Now, broadcast is the second step that you need to follow. That is going to allow you to send bulk WhatsApp messages. So go towards this broadcast section. After coming to the broadcast section, click on this add broadcast button to create a new broadcast now. First of all, select the broadcast type, which is going to be broadcast campaign. After that, it is asking for the name of the broadcast, for which I'll write over here as promotional message. So I've given the name as promotional skincare message. Now after that, it's asking for me to select the audience. Now I have created an existing contact list. So I'll select this option. But if you want to upload a CSV list of your customers that you've created, upload it directly using this another option. I will select the contact list to whom I want to send this promotion message to. If you want to select all the list also, you have this option. If you want to create your own contact list from the contact section, you can do that. Okay. After that, it is asking for me to refine audience. So let's suppose I want to exclude a specific contact list. So I can select the option from the drop down. If I want to exclude a specific contact, I can select that contact from the drop down as well. After that, it is asking for me to select the message type. I'm going to select the pre-approved message type. But if you want to create a regular message, you can do that from the section as well. So my message template is created in the name of skincare message. I'll select it. I have created the header of the message as image. So you need to upload that image in the step itself. So I have uploaded the image already in my account. So I'll select and insert the image. This is the preview of the message that I want to send. I'm going to click on this done button. Now, as I'm sending this message to thousands of customers, before sending it, I want to test how this broadcast is actually going to send the message. So what I will do is I will enter my name and my phone number in the field, and we'll see what kind of message I will receive on WhatsApp by sending a test message. A test message is forwarded. You can see I've received a new message. So yes, I'm receiving the message correctly. This means the testing has worked successfully. Now after that, it is asking for me to either schedule a broadcast or send this broadcast instantly. So I have an option whether I want to send this message instantly. So I can select the option as no. But if I want to schedule this broadcast for later, I can do that as well. So now I want this message should be forwarded on 31st of August at 5 p.m. So I'll select the date and time, and you will see it's scheduled for 31st of August 2026 at 5 p.m. After that, I will simply add the broadcast from here. On the date and time that I've selected while scheduling, this message that you have received on WhatsApp as a test will be forwarded to thousands of customers, or if you want, you can send the message instantly to all the long list of your customers as well. So very quickly, I just told you how you can promote your business on WhatsApp through messages, through sending bulk messages to customers using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, do comments down below and I will reply to you instantly. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.